For Google phones, we've grown to anticipate significant leaks, but the most recent one is perhaps the most odd. The Google Pixel 7a, a smartphone that is anticipated to be unveiled at the annual Google I/O Developer Conference next week, is the subject of the newest breakdown video from YouTuber PBK Reviews. Even though the Pixel 7a wasn't formally on sale, YouTuber Munchie reportedly managed to get it from the used phone market in Arctic Blue. He verifies in his hands-on and first impressions video that the phone's rumored specifications, which included a 6.1-inch FHD plus 90Hz display, Tensor G2 chipset, OLED display, 8 gigs of RAM, and a 4,300 mAh battery with wireless charging capabilities, were true. The YouTuber reveals that the Pixel 7a's display bezels are bigger than those of the Pixel 6a, which is surprising. The main and ultra-wide cameras, according to him, both take excellent photographs, and the selfie camera can also capture 4K videos. There isn't an action or cinematic mode on the cheap Pixel as there is on the Pixel 7 series. In another video, YouTuber PKB Reviews disassembles the Pixel 7a to show the internal alterations made to the device. Even while it happens often for phones to leak before their debut, their breakdown videos seldom do so. The Pixel 7a's front can be opened up to allow for screen replacement, much as the Pixel 6a. This straightforward fix won't need disassembling the phone. The Pixel 7a's USB-C connector, on the other hand, is soldered to the logic board, exactly as the Pixel 6a and Pixel 7 series, which makes repair or replacement needlessly difficult. Additionally, a good view of the new 64-megapixel main camera with OIS on the mid-range Pixel is shown in the video. The new sensor is substantially bigger than its 12.2-megapixel predecessor. Even with the significant hardware increase, the Pixel 7a's interior design layout is quite identical to that of the Pixel 6a. A 7.5 out of 10 repairability rating from PBK Reviews is given to the Pixel 7a. In his disassembly video, he gave the Pixel 6a a score of 7 for repairability. When it holds its annual developer conference on May 10th, Google won't have much more to share about the Pixel 7a. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.